Welcome to today's class, friends. Now, today we have a problem. It says that we are still on JAM question 2013, question number 15 this time. Now, that y varies inversely, r varies inversely as the square root of s. Okay, so this is r varies, that's the sign of proportionality, inversely as the square root of s and t. Inverse variation, square root of s and what? T. So that means 1 over square root of s over t. Now let's remove the sign of proportionality. So r becomes k all over square root of s what? St. Now they are saying, how does s varies with r and what? And t. How does it varies with r and t? Quick one. Now let's cross multiply this. Let's cross multiply. So we have r times square root of st is equals to what? K. Now to remove this square root, you need to square both sides. So we're going to square both sides. So we have r squared times st square root square and also what? K squared. Now this will cancel this, right? So you have r squared st is equals to k what? K squared. Right? Now they are asking you, how does s varies with r and t? That means make s the subject. So you are going to divide both sides by r squared t, because r squared t is the coefficient of s. So you divide both sides by that. So this will cancel this will cancel this. S becomes k squared all over s squared what? T. Now if you remove this, if you can separate this will be k squared times 1 over r squared t. And the whole of this is what? Inverse variation. Are we together? So that means that s vary inversely as r squared and t. Right? That means s varies inversely. This is the constant, that's the sign of proportionality. Though it is squared, it does not affect this particular, variation. So this is inverse variation. That means s varies inversely as the square of what? Of r and t. So that is how to solve this particular problem. Thank you for watching.